Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really beautiful at-home makeup organizer. And I know there are tons of options available on eBay and Amazon, but I think they're quite expensive. However, this one is very easy to make. You probably have all the ingredients at your home. You can decorate it as per your choice and it looks super cute on the vanity. So let's begin. So for this DIY, I will need glue gun and some random shapes and sizes of some plates and 2 candle stands. So make sure to use random sizes because that's the best. And also your favorite color of spray paint. Now I'm going to start off by applying glue on one side of the candle stand and pasting it right in the center of the first plate and just press it so that it sticks there. Then I'm going to apply the glue gun on the other side of the candle stand and stick the other piece of plate or the container on top of it. So 2 levels are ready and we are actually focusing on a 3-tier organizer. So I am going to repeat the same process with the third plate and the second candle holder. And you're done. So once this structure is ready, let it stay for about 2 hours and let it just be there so that it sticks really well. Then take your spray paint and just spray it. I've chosen golden color because my vanity is white and I think golden looks really classic and elegant on white. However, you can choose any color and then decorate it as per your choice. It looks super cute, pretty and very peppy, and it instantly makes your vanity very beautiful. So try this out and I really hope you enjoyed this DIY. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.